More than a decade after sea stars along the Pacific coast began mysteriously dying, scientists have identified the culprit, a bacterium called Vibrio pectenicida. This breakthrough follows years of coordinated research by at least 15 scientists from multiple organizations, including the Hakai Institute and the University of British Columbia. Their findings were recently published in Nature Ecology and Evolution. The sea star wasting disease was first reported in 2013 and quickly spread from Washington to Alaska, Mexico, and beyond. Infected sea stars became lethargic, developed lesions, lost limbs, and eventually disintegrated. The epidemic decimated over 90% of sunflower sea stars, one of the most iconic species in Pacific waters. With their disappearance, sea urchin populations exploded, devastating kelp forests once regulated by the predatory sea stars. The researchers began testing wild sea stars in controlled environments between 2021 and 2024. While quarantining animals to prevent further spread, the world simultaneously faced the COVID-19 pandemic, a parallel that wasn't lost on the team. In a pivotal moment, Melanie Prentice spotted high concentrations of Vibrio bacteria in diseased sea stars but not in healthy ones. When she presented the findings to colleagues Alyssa Gemin and Grace Crandall, they realized Vibrio pectenicida appeared in every sick specimen and none of the healthy ones. Vibrio asterisk species are not new to marine environments. Some can be deadly to oysters and humans. This 1-inch bacterial invader had been silently dismantling ecosystems, with the scientific community previously unaware. Using molecular tools, scientists identified the specific Vibrio strain, confirming its role in the mass die-off. Their diagnostic capabilities now rival those used to identify human diseases, capable of analyzing hundreds of microbial species from just a drop of seawater. This discovery opens the door for future conservation efforts. Researchers are now developing diagnostic tests to detect the bacteria before relocating or breeding sea stars. Breeding programs might help restore populations, especially from remaining healthy groups in Alaska and British Columbia. Scientists also see promise in probiotic treatments or bacteriophages to help sea stars fight infection naturally. While questions remain, such as how the bacteria spreads or whether it originates in mollusks, the identification of Vibrio pectenicida is a major step toward healing underwater ecosystems. Scientists now hope to one day reintroduce these keystone predators to the waters where they vanished.